Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix storage full notification without deleting photos. So friends, you can just go to the settings and click on apps and select the application that is taking too much storage. You have to just go and just turn off this hide system apps. Now you can see which taking too much. So Chrome is that 210 MB. Click on storage. You have to clear the cache. You can see total is 210, but clear the cache by clicking on this. So you can see cache is now this, and you can see the Chrome is now 37 MB, and this is how you can save some space without deleting photos. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.